Hey biz, just worked out and now I'm gonna go shower, wash my hair, and I'm gonna go cut it. Cut it, cut it, cut it. I'm gonna go cut my hair. So what you'll need for this cut are some scissors. I don't know if those are scissors for actually cutting hair or not, and some combs and some hair ties. Just as a point of reference, this is my hair before I cut it. This is from my previous video, which I will link in case you missed it. Okay, so what I'll be doing today is the unicorn method. So it's called unicorn because you look like a unicorn by combing all of your hair, gathering it up to the top of your head, like right at the forehead. A lot of the videos I've been watching, like the people just comb their hair out of the shower to like really get it in a tight ponytail that encompasses all of your hair. But I literally cannot comb my hair outside the shower. I have to do everything in the shower because that's physically the only way to comb my hair. Like if I were to comb it outside the shower, then it would just be really frizzy. So I did this in the shower. I actually did not rinse out my conditioner. I'm sorry, what are those? Do I have sideburns? So maybe this will make it better because it's like sopping wet and I didn't rinse out any of the conditioner. It's fine because I'm using the Aussie like 3-minute leave-in conditioning mask or whatever, so I don't know, probably like the longer you leave it in for, like the better, the more it'll repair your hair. So I'm doing this, just making sure I gather all my hair. So I did most of the combing in the shower already, but I'm just, oh my god, just like a chunk of water fell out of my hair. Okay, so this is ultimately what you want it to look like. And you gather it like this. And then you kind of hold it at the end to like where you want to cut it. I think I'll cut it here to start with. So when you do that, you want to cut upwards. That's just like what they say, instead of cutting. I'm lolling editing. Why am I so aggressive with those scissors? Horizontally, you want to cut vertically, like in a 90-degree angle. Oh, another thing that makes it easier to keep into place is by tying your hair at that point where you want to cut off, just so that it holds it more steadily. Also, I haven't cut my hair, like gone to get my hair cut in like 2 years almost. I probably have like dead ends like up to here anyway. Oh my god. Also curly hair, like it just bounces into place. So if I mess up, like hopefully I don't mess up, but if I do mess up, hopefully it also isn't so noticeable anyways. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here. I'm gonna cut it here. I've never cut my own hair before. There you go. I feel like I'm letting go a part of myself. I mean, it literally is a part of myself. And then from there, I don't know, people just say to like cut upwards to like even it out, I guess. I don't know. Dude, I'm just doing what YouTube told me to do. So I'll take it out of its hair tie. This is like the one unicorn method, and then like people do multiple unicorn to give you that layer cut. So like when you cut your hair like this, it's meant to like give you the shape, so it's not just like straight across and then your curly hair ends up being like a triangle, which is what my mom has done for me when she cut my hair for many years. So yeah, we don't want that straight across cut that gives you a triangle look. So that's why we do this. Instead, this is like an inverted like triangle, so that like when your hair falls, it falls like this. Okay, so I'm gonna take this out and then let's see what brushing my hair, what combing my hair will be like. I'll just do 2 unicorn horns. Actually, let me see what this looks like. Yeah. Yes. Mm. Oh my god, you see what I'm saying? Like my hair is getting bigger with combing it. Okay, hopefully it's doing that thing because I can't tell. So let's do one more unicorn. Let's do one more horn. Yeah, this is gonna be tricky because I'm not doing this in the shower with my hair wet. Honestly, guys, like what would I look like with bangs? Yeah. I wasn't really paying too much attention to the videos after they do the first horn, the first layer. Maybe I should stop calling it a horn. It doesn't sound very pleasing. Okay, I don't even know if this is even. I've like never parted my hair before. Dude, curly hair, you just set it and forget it. Like the more you touch it, the more you try to do stuff with it, the more it's going to disobey. Okay, so I'm gonna tie this part again. Okay, got my second unicorn. So this comb is the comb that I use in the shower. It's like more wide, it's just Conair, super cheap. Like I especially like to use it for traveling because it doesn't take up any space at all. So I'm just combing this out. Going to tie this again and do the same thing. Also, I love these these hair ties because I use them all the time for like when I go swimming because they're obviously waterproof because they're plastic, but they also do not get tangled in your hair, which is perfect for my hair, curly hair. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, here we go again. Oh my god, first of all, I'm exposing myself here because I look like a potato. I know I look like a potato normally, but I especially look like a potato when trying to cut my own hair. I mean, everyone looks like a potato when sitting in that salon chair with the cape draped around you, like the most unattractive look. I know it's been said before. I'll say it again. Okay, here we are. Got that piece that I already cut this part. Okay, so here we go. Going to cut upwards again. I don't think my layers should be too stark in contrast in regards to their length, so I'm going to cut maybe over here. I'll just cut over here. Oh. Okay, ready, steady. And I'm just gonna go and clean it up a bit. I don't know, it's uneven though. But what is even with curly hair? Like every single strand of hair on my head has its own curl pattern. Should I? Maybe I'll just make it even.
Come on, make it even, make it nice. Come on.
Because this one is sticking out a bunch. I do love that feeling of like just cutting your hair and your hair just stops at a certain point and it's like so jarring because you're used to it going further, but okay, whatever. Okay, I'm just doing 2 layers. Okay, my hair is still long. It wasn't drastic at all, but at least I got the dead ends. Then I'm gonna go hop in the shower again, rinse out this leave-in conditioner, and then come back and show you guys the final product. I'm gonna be so embarrassed if it doesn't do the V thing, because that's the whole point of this whole cut, this whole unicorn cut. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I'm all clean. I'll just quickly walk you through how I style my hair. It's like super easy. Like out of the shower, I've been using Moroccan oil from Deciem. I've used multiple bottles of this. It works really well. Super cheap, works really well. The trick is, and I only recently learned this last year, is that you need to switch up your products, because if you use one product for too long, your hair will get used to it. Yeah, I don't really know what the reasoning is behind it, but it's just helpful to switch up your products every once in a while, just so that your hair actually gets the full effects of it. I recently did a Deciem order and ordered this other oil, pressed virgin Marula oil. And this has also been working really well. So you're supposed to be able to use both of these, like either of these oils on your skin, on your face, or on your hair. I've been using these for my hair though. So today I'm going to use the Marula oil. I'll just do like, oh, did I even get in the frame? I just use like one like whole dropper's worth, and then just mix it together and then put it on my hair. I don't know if it's possible, but I think I left like the conditioning treatment in for too long, because it says 3-minute miracle, but I had it on for like 40 minutes. And my hair feels like a little dry, but I don't know. We'll see how it looks when it's fully dried. So this is what it looks like. After I put the product in, I worked it through my hair. I just don't touch it. I just let it air dry. The less you touch it, the better your hair will come out. So yeah, now you just wait. Thank you to my mom for her handy camera work. And this is what my hair looked like dry. Okay, it's been a few more hours and my hair, it's actually like dry now, and I like the way that it looks. I don't think I'll ever have to go get my hair cut again. I could just do it myself. Well, obviously it's not professional, but I think it looks good. I'm happy with it. And as long as I'm happy with it, that's all that matters. And I get to save like $200 or whatever it costs, because I never get my hair cut because it's so expensive. I don't get it cut that often. So I can save $200 every 2 years. I get to save $100 per year by cutting my own hair. And it's so easy. I am so happy with the way that this came out. If you guys try it, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I would recommend. I highly recommend this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.